If you're using VirtualBox for this class, there are some changes we need to make to our Linux machine. VirtualBox is not one of the enterprise tools that Linux includes drivers for. Launch your VirtualBox manager and start the Oracle Linux. Wait for it to fully boot and go to the login screen. Once it reaches the login screen, click Sample User 1 and enter secret as the password. You have a warning message at the top of the screen. Place your mouse over the warning message, click, and then click the message X. Now click back inside the Linux window and click Capture again. Click Activities, click the waffle icon, click the Settings icon, click the Search icon, type Display, and click the display link. Change the resolution. At a minimum, you need 1152 by 864. Choose that resolution or something higher. Click Keep Changes. Close the display window using the X in the top right. Click on Activities. Click on the terminal icon. At the prompt, follow these instructions. Type SU space, place a minus symbol, hit enter. Type in the root password, pass1234, with P being uppercase. You will not be able to see your typing. If it did not take, you can type SU space minus again and try again. Once you successfully log in and your prompt changes to a pound sign, type the following command: DNF space upgrade space kernel asterisk. Hit enter. After it fetches updates from the update server, it will ask a yes or no question. We will answer yes to all of the questions. Here I see it is asking at the bottom of the screen. I'll type Y. Watch. Without the drivers, the keyboard can repeat multiple times. I have to answer Y again. We have to wait for the installation to complete. It can take several minutes, especially the last step. I cut out those several minutes. You'll be presented with the prompt again. type in reboot. Wait for your system to fully start. Once it's started, log back into sample user 1 with secret as the password. You may close down the help screen if you wish. Click the Activities menu again. Click the Terminal screen. Type SU space minus again, pressing enter, entering pass 1234 as the password. If it did not work, again type SU space minus, entering the password. You may have trouble with the keyboard trying to repeat. Type the following command: DNF space install space make space Perl PERL space Kernel dash UEK dash DEVEL. Press enter. Enter yes when prompted. Wait for the installation to complete. This can take several minutes. Once installation completes, you'll want to use your right control key on your keyboard. Press it. Your mouse is released, so you can go up to the device menu. Then you can select Insert Guest Additions CD image. Click inside your Linux window again, Capture, and then select Run with a dialog box. Use pass1234 as the password. Click Authenticate. This will now install the drivers for VirtualBox. This will also take a few minutes to complete. After several minutes, at the bottom you'll see press return to close this window. Check back every 5 minutes. Once it is displayed, press enter. Your terminal screen remains. If you'll notice, you can now move your mouse freely inside and outside the window. Clicking in and outside the window no longer has you capture the mouse pointer. Type power off and press enter. Your VirtualBox and Oracle Linux are now set up to work together. You can proceed to do your labs.